Right then, it's the one and only happy hour. Happy Friday, everybody. Just been away on a fantastic holiday to Cornwall with the Smiths and the Hibs. An absolute wonderful time. What I want to cover this week is what is the best frozen cocktail. Now, quite a few different variations of cocktails come to mind. We can look at daiquiris, we can look at frozen margaritas, pina colada. A lot of these are very famous drinks, but let's not forget the core of what a daiquiri is. So we get lots of variations of frozen daiquiris. So we have like the strawberry daiquiri, a banana daiquiri, a watermelon daiquiri. But so let's not forget that the original daiquiri from Cuba is based on a lime cocktail. So I am going to cover quite a few different frozen cocktails as a kind of summer special. It's absolutely baking outside, really, really hot. It's so, we just got arrived home and it's really, really humid. So what we're going to cover to begin with is a banana daiquiri. Now the different guide's absolutely fantastic and there's quite a few different variations in here, but we're just going to look at the banana daiquiri. This is the recipe. Right there. And the essential ingredients for this is obviously a banana, a lime. Always make sure you get the thin skin one, so it's really good for juicing. 2 shots of rum. Havana Club's fantastic. That's one of the core rums from Cuba, very famous. Sugar syrup, or if you can use banana liquor. What we need is 2 shots of rum, 1 shot of the sugar syrup, and then half a shot of the lime juice, and then 1 whole. Now you can have a measurement for ice, but the best thing to do is add it into the mix until the blitzer just stops. Right, so we're just gonna peel the banana. So the banana's gonna go in there. Now we need to squeeze the lime. Now it doesn't matter about sieving the lime here, you can just pretty much use, as it's going to be blitzed anyway. So all we need is half a shot of the lime juice, in with the banana, 1 shot of the sugar syrup, and then 2 shots of the Havana. So for this glass we're going to use a coupe glass, which is going to really show off mound over. It's just stopped catching it at the bottom. That's when you know it's right. It's going to come out like a slush puppy. It's going to just mould over. So just make sure that's all down. Just let it all settle, because the ice will settle to the bottom. You don't want to make sure there's any ice. So here we have the banana daiquiri. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Make sure you subscribe. It'd be really interesting to hear about what your favourite frozen cocktail is. You know, for me, the daiquiris and the margaritas are absolutely fantastic. So it also waters down the cocktail as well with plenty of crushed ice. Whereas these drinks, if they didn't have the ice, it'd be very, very strong. Oh wow, that's absolutely amazing. Really, really good. Really good. Cheers.